Apple versus lemon versus banana, who wins the healthiest fruit trophy? When it comes to naming the healthiest fruit, science says there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Each of these popular fruits brings something powerful to the table. Let's break it down by nutritional benefits. Each of these common fruits can be a healthy addition to your diet, but some may be a better choice than others depending on what you're looking for. Lemon, the immunity booster. Let's start with the lemon. These little yellow spheres are packed with vitamin C, about 187 milligrams per lemon. That's almost 20% of your daily requirement for this essential vitamin. Vitamin C is crucial for a robust immune system. It helps your body fight off infections and diseases by supporting the production of white blood cells and antibodies. This nutrient also plays a key role in wound healing and tissue repair. Beyond its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C also offers several other health benefits. For example, it aids in the absorption of iron, which is important for preventing and treating iron deficiency anemia. Additionally, vitamin C is an antioxidant. It helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can contribute to various diseases and aging. Lemons are also a good source of flavonoids, which are plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Perhaps the best part about lemons is their low sugar content. They typically have less than 3 grams of sugar per lemon, making them a great choice for people who are watching their blood sugar or calorie intake. Whether consumed as whole fruit in salads or as freshly squeezed juice, lemons can add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals while keeping your sugar intake in check. Banana, the energy powerhouse. Now let's talk about bananas. These convenient and portable fruits are a popular choice for many people. And it's no wonder why. They're not only delicious, but also packed with energy. One medium-sized banana contains about 105 calories, which is equivalent to about 4 medium apples or 1 cup of blueberries. But what makes bananas an excellent source of energy? The secret lies in their natural sugar content. A medium-sized banana typically contains around 14 grams of natural sugars, including glucose, fructose and sucrose. These sugars provide a quick source of energy that can help boost your alertness and improve your mood. Additionally, bananas are rich in potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in muscle function and electrolyte balance. Potassium also helps maintain proper hydration and supports healthy blood pressure levels. This makes bananas an excellent choice for athletes or anyone engaging in physical activity. But that's not all. Bananas are also a good source of vitamin B6, which is important for brain function and metabolism. They also contain resistant starch, a type of dietary fiber that acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria and supports digestive health. So whether you're looking for a pre-workout snack or a natural way to boost your energy levels, bananas may be a great option. Apple, the all-around champion. And now let's discuss the apple. This versatile fruit comes in various colors and varieties, but they all have one thing in common: they're packed with nutrients. One medium apple with the skin on typically contains about 95 calories, 4 grams of fiber and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. But what makes apples stand out? The secret lies in their unique phytonutrient profile. Apples are rich in polyphenol, a group of compounds with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds play a crucial role in protecting against cellular damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Moreover, apples support gut health by providing a prebiotic source of food for beneficial gut bacteria. This can help improve digestion and enhance the immune system's functionality. Additionally, apples have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes them a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. Furthermore, apples are high in fiber, which aids in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing appetite. It's no wonder apples have earned their reputation as one of the healthiest and most nutritious fruits. So who wins? While lemons shine brightly with their abundant vitamin C, boosting our immune system, and while bananas offer a natural energy boost with their potassium and vitamin B6, apples emerge as the all-around champion. Their low calorie count, high fiber content and a variety of antioxidants make them a nutritional powerhouse. A study published in the British Medical Journal, BMJ, found that eating an apple a day was associated with a 39% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes when compared with less frequent apple consumption. This aligns with other research suggesting that regular apple consumption can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching.